Welcome to RamyaSadasivam's Art Gallery. If this is your first visit with us, this is Artist RamyaSadasivam. I've been practicing art, portraits for 13 years now. I've done more than 2000 portraits just for the sake of practice. I'm a big fan of freehand style. For those who do not know what freehand is, freehand means drawing someone or something without the help of grid, just through visual measurement. It could be either from photo or from life, it does not matter. So this is a portrait study of Billie Eilesh, an American singer, songwriter. She is a very fair-skinned person. Fair skins should be handled with a lot of care. Values should be low, so I have majorly used only low valued pencils here in this drawing. It just took me 3 hours to draw and perfect this work. First of all, I use a technique to get the shape of the face right, map the features, and then perfect the face as much as I can, which means I minimize all the flaws on the portrait gradually. Work on the features and the face to get it close in resemblance to my subject, and then I focus on achieving realism. In order to achieve realism, you should know light theory, and also you should know how to implement the theory on your drawing. Then you will have to observe from the reference photo, predict the values, and place the same on your drawing. I used Camlin, which is a local brand, for this drawing and used a lot of Bs like 2B, 4B, 8B and 11B. You can opt for the brand Stedler, which is globally available. If you like my style of drawing and want to learn from me, I have an online course for you. It is a course designed for the beginners, which means it teaches you everything from the basic. It is eligible for anyone above age 15 and all adults. Course link ramyasadasivam.com/courses/portrait is in the description section. You can go through the details of the course there and join the course on the same page, and then you will be enrolled immediately. With my technique, your portrait drawing skills will improve several folds. So that's about it. If you like this drawing, please give a like to this video, which will motivate me to do further such videos. Thank you for your time.